This one is serial in parallel out. So we have 4 output. So if you look at this circuit diagram, so down one is circuit diagram for serial in parallel out shift register. So we are giving data in the serial mode, and we will have our output in parallel mode. So at each flip-flop we will have output D0, D1, D2 and D3. So let's demonstrate on the breadboard. So this one is our data input, and this one is our clear, and we have 4 output D0, D1, D2 and D3. So let's first clear our data by giving to data in 0 and clear to 0. So I'm turning on the power supply. Now let's give our data input to 1 and clear to 1. So after giving clear and data input to 1, then I'm going to give a clock. As soon as we give the clock, so we will have first output, that is output from first flip-flop. So we are having output from first flip-flop. Then this output will shifted to second flip-flop, and this output will be taken from the input side. So we have at the input side, that is 1. So that will shifted to the output of flip-flop 1, and output of this flip-flop will shifted towards flip-flop 2 when I give second clock. Now this second output will shifted to third 1, and output at the input side will shifted to the first flip-flop. And finally when I give again the clock, then output at the third flip-flop will shifted towards last flip-flop. Pause with this. Now I am giving our data input to 0. So now if you look at this circuit diagram, just now we have D0, D1, D2 and D3 are all 1, and we have data in equal to 0. So as soon as I give the clock, this 0 will shifted to D0, and this output D0 is shifted towards D1, D1 to D2 and D2 to D3. So as I give on the clock, this 0 will shifted toward D1, D2 and D3. So when I give 4 clock, our input data input 0 will shifted towards our final output, that is D3. So let's see out here. So I'm giving first again 1 clock. So this one our input 0 is shifted towards flip-flop 1, output of flip-flop 1. Again this output at flip-flop 1 will shifted towards flip-flop 2. Similarly it will shifted to flip-flop 3, and we have finally output shifted at the flip-flop output of flip-flop 4.